The rear wing seems to have integrated with the vines. I've got the wing free. Good, let's see what's underneath. Severe spiderweb crack, debris trapped inside. Definitely a full headlight replacement. This is heavily packed. It's going to be tricky to clean it without causing more damage. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. All right, this is gonna be a lot of work. Okay, keep coming slowly. Just a little further, you're almost there. Keep it steady. Looks like it's holding. Keep it steady. Watch the wheels. Good. Now. All right, slowly now.
Just a bit more.
Perfect. The rust is deep, and the glass is shattered. Okay, just a little to the left. Perfect, stop, you're good to go. Okay, keep coming slow. Perfect. Almost there.
Looking good.
The rubber is cracked here, and the rim has deep oxidation. It's salvageable, but it needs significant work. All right, time for phase 4. Time to get these out.
Careful.
All right, engine and gearbox initiating descent. Watch the alignment. Slow and steady. Perfect. Still some stubborn patches here. The front right fender requires significant patching. All right, phase 4 complete. She's ready for the next step. Let's get started. All right, that's a strong, clean bead. Perfect. All right, old gasket is off. Now for the lapping. Perfect. Clean and ready.
All right, time for the final flush. Checking the galleries, looking good. A little more spray here, and perfect. Ready for assembly.
Perfect. The tolerances are exactly where they need to be. Perfect fit.
Main bearing caps installed.
Almost there. Just a little more. Looking good. Perfect alignment and set. Beautiful. The primer looks perfect. Let's do a final check on the seams.
Agreed.
Agreed. The paint is absolutely perfect. It's ready. Perfect fit. The alloys look incredible. And that's solid, ready for the road. Measure twice. Cut once. Looks perfect, Chief. All right, alignment check. Perfect fit. Ready to secure. Perfectly aligned, no gaps. The movement is just right.
It's flawless.
Years of work finally complete. Absolutely beautiful. Done. Excellent. Final checks complete. It's perfect. The restoration is complete. Behold, the McLaren F1 in all its glory. The depth on this is absolutely incredible. Flawless. All right, let's feel this. Testing the grip. And we're moving.
The engine sounds perfect.
Let's take it a little faster.
Absolutely, the suspension is flawless.
After everything, she's perfect. Worth every moment.